for the back on the ends, so man forget wet up. Not forget too comfortable because them go like them one style blood clot man thing. So I tell them that them thing I see them are coming over, I could have tell you from a long time, you know, but you know one more time I try to link you, so man I go and them want to shut up man out of the thing, you know. Because I'm sit down from a block and observe how they move, you know. How them friendly with newcomers, you know. You see me I deal with. So
good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification button. Now if you like this video, after you watch it, click on another video. But yo, truck boss, big up yourself. Tree boss, big up yourself. Country girl, country boss, 306 876 boss, 647 boss. Clarendon boss, long time in a year from you. Rebel, boy I fly all the way from Paris, and that take me out in play that truck nice. Yeah, all of the subscribers then big up. Yo, we just hear that clip there? Where the brother there, when he in problem child, a real problem child. You hear the man say, why? You sit down on my block, you know, I sit down and me and watch how the man them friendly, you know, and the man them just friendly with everybody. Yo, that is hate in the making. That is hate in the making. I'm telling you, that's hate in the making, dog. The man would never ever say to Kartel, why Kartel, you know what? We could go and chill and see what go on with the man then. But he might do, you know, he might tell Kartel and I push Kartel button, boy the man them, and then Kartel say, true, you know dog, a long time me a pre, you know, cause me sit down and me a pre dog, and you understand, the man them come in like two virus, we are feed off of each other. It's a shame and disgrace. Me not lie. And Kartel as an educated youth, you understand, for really make some little dumb spot. Cause I can't see a problem child. He means a wagonist. You understand? He might jump on the bandwagon cause you know say a Kartel that. That's why it's not a good thing. Yo, una for have some, una for stand for something or stand for nothing. Me don't care how much money a boy have. Pussy, you can't wind me up. Yo, let's move on and listen to the other one.
my dad, what the program? Don't hear from yesterday, you know, so me there I pray and I wonder what I go on. I know what I go on, my dad. Blessed.
Same thing as the rest of man, the boy, him take the thing them there, but the boy move up the dog. Dash me, I make the man them dash already on bed.
My dad. Third no, them dash already on our side. If I know out the road at third no, we don't on our side. You hear that?
But in a Chevy yard, you know, Chevy yard, the pussy will get live, you know.
Yeah, man, I just call long there a while ago, prepare so them go bro them and them not see the man them. Come like the man them take for themselves. I watch this now, no? And right, Ross, Clark, place. I say, oh, that's so many times. And boy, danger have to get account for that. Put him back in the spot. So, man, David. Yeah, man.
They are wait for the priest them to link me back and let me know what them I do. Cause them not saying about the thing come here, cause them I get fucking at that. Do it, man. I'm mad with that thing, man.
So when lizard and weed them, them cut.
I'ma just listen to that and hear how cool Kartel is. Say man, dash the man mother. And then problem child, him come on and say no, nobody do it over our side. Cause man get covered. So me want to know where problem child is. Problem child is their prison. In their prison, anybody know when they make me know. We because you know the man them sit down and just feed into the evil like a cancer. Me can't believe it. It just seems like a split personality person. No, Vybz Kartel dog, me a laugh, but it's serious. He's unforgiving. He's very unforgiving, and it's so sad. You don't hear not one man that say, why? Me could talk to the man them and reason it out. I don't, none of that. Now one point, in a part of the thing, you hear the man say, boy, take with the machine from the man them over third world. You not even like the man them over there, just to ratty them apart up there, so I guess they must give ratty something now for watch them head back or whatever. And it's the man them get a one pop, and then you say them a go up there. So, you see the picture we are paint. So I don't really know how I'm going to be in charge. I don't know how I'm going to be in charge. I don't think I'm going to really get out with this, because I listened to the voice note them before, but at the first me ever really I break it down. And if you listen to this, the clip just over this thing we will just play. It's very chilling and very revealing. I just don't know. It's really sad. But I want you guys to know that with this said, going to Jamaica is a safe thing. Even though I might do the videos then on the negative aspect and the negative on the gang life, because we have to really just tell the truth and the facts. Jamaica is a relatively safe place. You just have to know how to flex. Like anywhere you go, you can get more than New York, London, anywhere. But Jamaica is relatively safe. You just have to stay away from illicit activity. So if you go down there and you smoke a little thing, you know, so you can get a little, and you smoke it, no matter go down there, don't try and be in a big time, dealer and all of them things that mix up with man and man. You just go down there, mind your own business and do your own thing. But Jamaica is safe, so I want people to know that. Let's move on.
Them dead man, them can't cut down over there, you're mad. If they leave a cut chance, can't have a buy it back.
You see the whole of them, where they run silver, them know what blood clot go on, you know. You see me? I guess so. If the man that say we and the man that say this and the boy, them still a call back in the scheme and a link with whosoever who a give them information and walk on and who them see a walk past in a rat town, cause so them thing go, you know, you see me I deal with. So the whole of them up at that blood clot know what go on. Them take man for force. You know what you say to them, Dan? I saw your thing setting up, so it's setting up, a civil response to each other. Right now you should never kill up yourself, you know. A civil if you go about them, you know, cause civil them youth, a civil youth them, you know, you see me? So civil if you make some phone call and make them know, say, yo, watch this. Rain, you know. You see me, sir? You should never kill up yourself, Dan. And that me I tell you, cause most time I wonder, oh, you're just so far out, so man, they over just don't care, but monitor the thing like how to monitor.
No, but I see him, so I really did it after the half dark. Because I can't mind with a virgin. Because I don't kill out myself, dog. I just can't shine up to this man and tell him, say, humble, what about me things them, and make me get my money to buy back me things them, and only do what I want to do with whoever. I just want to get back my thing, and you respond to it. So I make sure I tell him that this morning.
DJ, you know, somebody just a year a while ago said badness and danger must kick off on the line this morning. I feel like it come like bad danger, bad as the man them come like them afraid of danger, dog.
Yeah, go on things, man. You don't have to say nothing, man. Just listen.
The way I use their blood class, you know.
Now, y'all hear all them two man there talk star. I have never seen anything like this. I don't know how him a go beat that. Cause you hear them a call up Lizard name. You hear the boy the Problem Child. Him are the main player, you know. Him they write up everything, you know, and him a report back to Kartel, and him a instigate the killing and the governance or whatever the man them a do, you know. I want to listen clearly to where Problem Child a deal with the thing, dog. Straight up. Let's go.
I got Problem Child. Me do I put on a tattoo side. I want you just see tattoo. Yeah, a bride of Chucky, man. Oh.
Yeah, it's a Lizard and the new boy, my name Browns. Two of them years to get dash away, you see me? Cause be a man a call me and ask me if me here, you know. You see me? And a nigga from Night Town just called me a while ago and say, 2 man get dash away for the ends. So me ask the team say, me a behave like me don't know who him attack, you see me?
Yo, tell me exactly where you're here, bad man. Come on, where I go on.
So you know, use a blood clot, you know.
So who them said dash them way?
Linky, give me a link this morning. So me I say, me dope and me and him there a reason. Out of the blue, me just hear the man and say, yo, dash a Lizard, and me I say, blood clot. But me I say them say, Lizard get dash, me not hear from you. So me I wonder, what I go on, so I suck up now, I start link back a yard.
Oh, but that's, who will tell you? Who are the first one to tell you? And where him hear it from?
Now, you hear the question him ask? Who tell you? What the first man will tell you? And the man will tell you how him hear it from. Bumbo clot. What kind of boss that, man? Him want to know where everything a come from, you know. And that's him start lose control. Well, this is the end of the voice note. Now, what you guys think about this? Do you really think this guy can get off this with his appeal? You think he could get off this? Do you think Vybz Kartel can get out after this voice note? I don't think so. We're not even going to talk about the weakness, but just the carelessness of how he conduct his business is really incredible. And the boy they will name Problem Child, I really need to do a story on him. I need to investigate this dude some more. I don't know if he's there in prison, I don't know where he's there. But this guy is just like a total, he's just like a total arsehole, you know, with Vybz Kartel and thing, yo. It's crazy. These voice don't really shows what kind of person he is. For real. It shows that he's two-sided and two-mouthed. And very controlling, very aggressive, unforgiving, and very evil. It's such a sad thing that this guy wasting life at prison, dog. And in a prison, and still in a mix-up with a put out it. So, that's his story, but give me your honest opinion if after this, listening through these voice notes, there's a part 1 and this is a part 2 because the voice note was so long and I had to take the painstaking time of listening to this guy's voice and and break it down. So it's not the best thing and not the best thing to hear, you understand? But yeah, so if you like this video or like what you hear, click on another video and watch another video. My name is Countryman and I'm out.